King David, out of the tribe of Judah, from the tribe of Judah, one of the sons of Jesse. Um, he was described as being ruddy, which is reddish brown, just like Esau. He was described as being red, right? Like ruddy. You know, that word ruddy means reddish brown. Okay, that's like how Esau was described when the scripture described him as he came out red. So same thing. David was described as being ruddy. This is in 1 Samuel chapter 16, verse 12. He's described as, it says, and he sent and brought him in, and he was ruddy with bright eyes and handsome. And Ahiah said, arise, anoint him, for this is the one. So out of all the sons of Jesse, Yishai, the Most High chose King David. And prior to him being king, he was a shepherd. He chose him because he was a man after his heart. The Most High saw the hearts, because he looks not on at the outward appearances, he looks at the hearts. Okay, so he saw that this will be a one that will have a genuine heart to serve him and to serve his people. Okay, Israel. So he chose him through the prophet Samuel, and anointed him with prophet Samuel anointed him with oil, his head with oil, to be king over Israel. And mind you, King Saul was ruling during this time. And King Saul was in that position because he was forced in that position because the Israelites wanted a king, just like the nations had kings, and they wanted to be like the nations. And that's what has happened to our people today. Because we desire to be like the nations, you know, we've been scattered all over the world due to our forefathers' disobedience, worshiping gods and forsaking his laws, right? So King Saul, he was called to be king. You know, the Most High wanted to be the one ruling his people, the same one that took the people of Israel out of Egypt. So he wanted to be the one ruling his people, but the people wanted a king, a physical king, like the nations do to this day. How they have presidents, prime ministers, and some nations have queens. So they wanted a king, and then the Most High allowed them to have a king, and King Saul, right? That wasn't his original plan for them, but because of their desire, he went ahead and gave him a king. So King Saul was chosen at a time. He was leading Israel, but he was definitely not a man after the Most High's heart. There was a time when the